We're full manifestation mode for summertime, okay? Well, I wonder what the best beach in LA is. I heard Santa Monica Beach is kind of grimy. Like, oh my gosh, it's so cute there, though. I went to the pier one time, and it was so beautiful. I just like to be where people are. Like, oh my gosh, the way that we could change people's days with just like a couple of words. What a privilege. That's why I love my job as a cashier, for real. I talk to so many people, and I'm just a little part of a lot of people's days, and you never know what anyone's going through. Just like a couple of words can change someone's entire day. And you know me, like, if I could leave a smile on someone's face, I'm gonna do it. But yeah, back to the beach, guys. I wonder what it is. I heard Manhattan Beach is good too. Oh my god, is it basically fate since I'm from Manhattan? Well, I was born in Manhattan, but I was raised in Queens. But I don't know. I'm delusional enough for me to believe that it's fate, period. Okay, so this is this like graphic liner look that I decided to do today. It turned out so beautiful. Definitely trust the process. It takes a lot of effort, a lot of precision, but you know, it's so worth it in my opinion. I think this is one of my favorite looks that I've done like to date. I'm not gonna lie. The colors are so vibrant. They mesh so well together. The entire thing is covered in glitter. What's not to love? But, you know, I was just in my own world. I love listening to music while doing my makeup, or I listen to podcasts. Guys, do you watch Rotten Mango? Oh my goodness. In a chokehold. But low-key, I'd be scared now. Why did we had like an Uber Eats driver deliver food and they knocked on the door yesterday? And I was like, can you open the door for me? I said, like, who is it? I'm never opening a door without someone saying, like, it's so-and-so, because I've watched too many podcast episodes and I will not be a victim. And I learned that the highest percentage of serial killers reside in LA. Oh my gosh. I wonder, like, I think about that more than I should, not gonna lie. When I'm like on walks and stuff, I'm like, oh man, probably like one of these houses. Okay, guys, I think it's time for me to put down the rotten mango. But what did I say, guys? Trust the process. It's turning out so cute. Every single color like fading into the other, or like being next, like juxtaposition. Oh, it just ate down for real. I just think it brings like a very like avant-garde summer look. Very Stella. And yeah, that's the entire look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed.